Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh and it is buttered shrimp rolls. So if you've never ordered anything from HelloFresh, this is how it comes packaged. Every meal is in its own bag with all the ingredients. If there's meat involved, it is separate, so my shrimp is on the side there. But they give you everything you need. The only thing you'll need is to add to it would be salt, pepper, olive oil, or butter. So real minimal. And what's nice about this is if you want to recreate this at home, all the recipes are online. So I'll link this one below in case you'd like to make it. First thing you always do is chop up all your ingredients. I preheated my oven and I'm adding all of my potatoes that I chopped up with some olive oil. I'm also going to take half of the garlic powder and add that. I realized I dropped some green onions on there, so I went ahead and pulled those off. Also going to add some salt and pepper. And those are going to go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 425 degrees. Next, I'm going to make the coleslaw. So I have some celery salt, some sugar, some mayonnaise and sour cream. I'm also going to add in some lemon juice as well. I've also zested that lemon and I will use that later in the recipe. So I'm going to give that a good mix. And once that looks combined, I can add in the coleslaw. And all the scallion greens and add salt and pepper. They always have you separate the scallion greens and the whites and use those at two different steps in the recipe. So once my coleslaw is done, mix it up really well and set that aside. And the next step is to toast the rolls. So they're already split down the middle. I just have some melted butter, and since I moved, I cannot find my pastry brush to save my life. Don't know where that thing went. So I'm just using a spoon, kind of drizzling it on there, rubbing it in a little bit. And I'm also going to put that in the oven for just a few moments. Then I have my shrimp, which I've added some olive oil, the rest of the celery salt, paprika, half of the paprika, the rest of the garlic powder, and salt and pepper. So you're going to mix that till that's completely coated. And then you could heat up a pan with some olive oil and then add them on there to cook. It also said to add the scallion whites in there as well. So that only takes about 3 to 4 minutes to cook, really quick. And then when you're done, you turn off the heat, add a tablespoon of butter and the lemon zest. And just kind of mix that around to coat it until the butter's all melted. And by all that, you should have your potatoes done and ready. So it all kind of gets done at the same time. And you just add the coleslaw to your bun with the shrimp, and this is so good. I love shrimp. I could eat stuff like this all day long. And of course, the potatoes are good too. So if you guys would like to try HelloFresh, I do have a promo code below in case you're interested. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.